kita lihat pengetesannya ya guys. Ini kan kondisi masih belum lock. Begitu kita lock, tombol lock ini akan mengunci guys. Oke, kita coba satu kali lagi. Kita buka dulu guys. Membukanya juga gitu. Begitu kontak on, spion membuka sendiri. Kontak off, kita kunci, menutup sendiri. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh guys, jumpa lagi di Cek Audio Channel. Masuk lagi guys, ini ada Fortuner lama, beliau owner yang punya ini auto retract Spion Lipat yang nanti begitu kunci di off atau di on kan itu bisa menutup atau membuka sendiri guys. Selengkapnya nanti pengerjaan itu ada di modul ini guys. Modul dipasang, instalasi ikut dengan switch orinya guys. Kita lihat selengkapnya.
One else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself. I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. So watch me. Watch me. Yeah. Man, this beat got me aggressive, got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this train direction, cause it runs without an engine. Oh, when did I fail to mention that I need all your attention? Cause we're failing in retention. Listen up or just forget it. I ain't here to spit perfection, I embrace my imperfections. I just want all that's neglected to hear something they connect with. So I use my only method, all these words that I've invested. I don't hope that they're impressive, I just hope that they're effective. Yeah, I swear to God, if you want it, then you got to get it. Cause when I'm on my deathbed, no, I will not regret it. You only got one life, one shot, don't let it slip away. Today, get up and make a big change, huh? You decide your own future, a winner or a loser, a headline or a rumor, on the bench or a shooter, superstar or recruiter, defensive prosecutor, just living a consumer, or will you be a producer? If you have a dream, go capture it, go act a bit, get off your ass and take some action, bitch. Start acting like you want this shit, cause passion ain't compassionate. Too many people want this shit, it's not enough you're talented, you have to fucking grab it. And I'm sick of being adequate, another college graduate, just looking for an advocate to hire me to pack your shit. You want it, take a stab at it, you need it, then get after it. These people, they don't matter, shit, just block them out and capture it. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I was told to show, not tell. So watch me. Watch me. I don't ever doubt myself, I can count on no one else, and I do not need your help. I
Yeah, my hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch.
Ini pemasangannya pakai kabel yang solasi bakar, tetap menggunakan kerapian, nanti tinggal dirapikan guys.
Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bruh. I swear to God I'll get it, bruh. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous.
Sahabat Jack Audio, pemasangan sudah selesai. Outside mirror di Toyota Fortuner ini dipasang, udah terkoneksi dengan remote ori bawaannya yang udah immobilizer. Kita lihat pengetesannya ya guys. Kita lebih ini waktu ini kan kondisi masih belum lock. Begitu kita lock, tombol lock ini akan mengunci guys. Oke, kita coba satu kali lagi. Kita buka dulu guys. Membukanya juga gitu, begitu kontak on, spion membuka sendiri. Kontak off, kontak off, kita kunci. Jadi pengerjaannya sudah selesai. Ini modul ini sangat membantu kita saat parkir yang terburu-buru, nggak usah lipat kanan kiri, langsung pencet tombol remote udah langsung turun. Demikian pemasangan di Toyota Fortuner. Apabila ingin upgrade audio, aksesoris, lampu-lampu, jangan lupa langsung ke Jack Audio. Like, comment, and subscribe Jack Audio.
And I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, yeah, you get what you deserve. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody